Hello everybody. Welcome to the Etsy Mastery course, Setup, Launch and Success. I'm very excited to have you with us. You've taken an important step toward learning how to run a business on Etsy, and this decision will bring you long-term benefits. Today, we're going to talk about the second key rule for success on Etsy, building a reliable brand image. This is the first thing people see when they enter your shop. To create a successful shop on Etsy, it's not just about having a high-quality product, but also about building a strong and recognizable brand. Here's what you'll learn in this video. Trust. How to build trust in your brand and why it's the foundation of a successful business. Design. The importance of a unique design that makes your shop stand out and memorable. Value. How to offer real value to customers while maintaining high product quality. Identity. How to create your brand's identity so it stands out from competitors. Strategy. Developing an effective brand strategy for sustainable growth on Etsy. Logo. The significance of your brand's visual identifier, the logo, which should be recognizable and memorable. Marketing. How to properly promote your brand through marketing and attract your target audience. Advertising. Effective advertising methods to help your shop gain popularity. You know, brands have personalities just like people. They can evoke different feelings. This happens through the images, fonts, colors, and photos you use. Often, buyers immediately feel a connection to a brand because it appeals to them or reminds them of something positive. But sometimes the opposite happens. A brand can push people away. A successful brand is an incredible asset. It has the power to stand out from competitors, leading to long-term results and success. Over time, you can even raise your prices because people will trust that you offer high-quality products. Your brand is much more than just a logo. It's a unique story, which is especially important on Etsy, where people value personal interaction and a heartfelt approach. You are part of your brand. That's why you should definitely fill out the About section and add a smiling photo of yourself. Etsy wants buyers to see the real people behind the shopfront. Your brand should say something to people, have its own style and character. This should be reflected in your logo, shop banner, and even in the product descriptions. A strong brand not only helps you sell, but it also shows that you take your business seriously, and this builds trust with your buyers. Branding is a huge topic, but let's focus on two main questions. First, what message does your brand convey? Second, what does your brand look like? Your brand's message is the foundation. It helps you make decisions about design and how you'll communicate with customers. Think about what impression you want to make. What makes your brand special? What are your values? Now imagine your brand is a person. What kind of personality does it have? Is it serious? Is it fun? Is it creative or classic? Give your brand a personality. You can express this in a short slogan or write more details in the About section. Try to jot down words that describe your brand. I wrote the following. Welcome to the world of unique image generation prompts. As an experienced visual content creator, I faced challenges in developing effective prompts for my projects. This inspired me to share my knowledge and help other creative individuals. What you'll find in my shop: unique prompts for Midjourney and Leonardo AI, prompt generators for Midjourney, inspiration and ready-made solutions for your visual projects. My goal is to help you bring your creative ideas to life by providing tools and expertise for creating stunning images. Thank you for your interest in my shop. Let's create something amazing together. A great way to understand your brand is to create a mood board. A mood board is a visual tool that helps collect and organize ideas related to your brand in one place. It includes color palette ideas, textures and shapes, colors, logos and images, typography in design, composition and layout, and other elements that convey the atmosphere and style of your brand. Take what makes your business special and turn it into a visual image. Your mood board can help you choose the style of your photos, fonts, and other elements. Among the elements of a brand, the logo plays a crucial role. It is like the face of your brand, designed to quickly and clearly convey its essence. However, despite its importance, a logo is just one part of the overall picture, not the entire brand. Interestingly, the most effective logos often stand out due to their simplicity. This simplicity makes them easy to remember and recognize, which, in turn, helps strengthen the brand's position. But even the most successful logo cannot replace all the other aspects of a brand, such as product quality, customer service, and marketing strategy. In your launch workbook, there's a section where you can create a simple style guide. Over time, you can make it more detailed so that your brand always looks consistent. It's important that your customers trust you. If your shop looks unprofessional, people may leave without even looking at your products. That's why it's so important to define that message in your workbook first. In your workbook, you'll also find information about the logo and banner sizes for your Etsy shop. By the way, all the products in your shop should match each other and your brand. If you have very different products, it's better to open separate Etsy shops for them. For example, imagine a shop that sells prompts for generating images in Midjourney and Leonardo AI. If they suddenly started selling kitchenware, that would be strange. We've all seen shops that look like a chaotic yard sale. Think about why they don't inspire trust. Usually, it's because they look unprofessional and lack a unified style. If you're unsure about your design skills, here are some options. Hire a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Look for Etsy shops that create logos and banners. Try Canva. It's an easy online design tool. They even have a free logo and banner maker for Etsy. If you're already familiar with design, you can find ready-made logo templates on sites like Creative Market. or create your logo from scratch using any design program. Whoever creates your brand's design, it's essential that it conveys your message. That's why it's so important to define that message in your workbook first. And you know what? Don't be afraid to have fun in the process of creating your brand. It's truly exciting to see your business idea come to life. The next video will focus on the third rule of engagement: the importance of your lead photo in a listing for grabbing attention. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed this helpful lesson and learned something new. See you next time, and don't forget to create with joy.